This is cookie dough. You want to eat it, like right now, but you can't, because it'll make you sick. But don't fear, because I've got a recipe with all the goodness of raw cookie dough without the risk of it being a health hazard. First, let's beat some softened cream cheese, butter together in a bowl. We're just gonna beat that on medium. Beat that until you have a nice, light, and fluffy texture. All right, now star ingredient, McCormick vanilla extract. And we're just gonna add a smidgen of almond extract. That's what's gonna give it that authentic cookie dough flavor we're looking for. We're gonna add a little bit of salt as well. Switch the granules to fine. Give it a couple cracks. There you go. Next, we're gonna beat in some confectioner sugar and some brown sugar. This will give the dough a nice, smooth texture, and the brown sugar helps it give that cookie dough taste. Here we go. You wanna get all the ingredients nice and mixed up together in there. And we're just gonna scrape the sides, get all the edges, get it all together, all right? And then just make sure you beat it till it's nice and smooth. That's looking nice and smooth to me. I would know. Now, we're gonna gently stir in our whipped topping. Just throw it right in there. Now this is called folding, which is something I thought was just for my laundry, but I don't even fold my laundry, so this will keep the dough a little lighter to make it scoopable, even when you bring it out of the freezer. We don't want this deflating, y'all. Lastly, we're gonna add in some crushed vanilla wafer crumbs and some mini chocolate chips. So you're not eating raw flour, we're using the cookie crumbs to give that cookie dough the same texture. And now that it's light and fluffy, I'm done folding. If you haven't already eaten this entire batch at this point, store it in the freezer until you're ready to serve it. Or, if you really want to be a pro, you can serve it up in a waffle cone, like so. Or, if you're getting crazy, between two brownies. You want to know what's my jam though? Dipping it in chocolate for truffles. I'm feeling a little crazy myself. What I'm gonna do is take two baked cookies, and I got my cookie dough that I put in the freezer here. Take a little scoop like so. Just throw it right on in the middle. That's cookie on cookie madness. Whoa. And there you have it. Edible cookie dough. An easy, no-bake, delicious dessert. Live dangerously, just not with your cookie dough. Make sure to check out the Flavor Maker app. You'll find all the Flavor Maker videos and tons of delicious recipes. You can even scan your McCormick spices, add them to your digital spice rack, and create shopping lists. Plus, a ton of other cool features that I haven't even explored yet. Have fun cooking, guys.